No, wait, I don't want of that. Football would be nice.
No, it's not!
I'm very bad at this because it's like 3 minutes.
You say ano, and then when you say ginagawa, you put a space like ano, ginagawa mo na, ano
Don't talk
ginagawa mo.
about the people's desert. No,
Yeah, like that, like
great.
that. Yes, yes.
Good. Great.
What other words? No, it's di ko alam.
Wait, what is that?
It's not di ka alam, it's di ko alam. Ko. Yes. Yes. No, we broke guys. No.
I don't know if this is 3 minutes.
We just talked about it a few minutes ago. It's ano, ginagawa.
So just stop this video and just gonna add some.
Correct. What other words do you want me to translate?
There. Okay.
You already know what that means. What words do you
Okay,
frequently
it's
say?
now in. So let's wait here patiently. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.